Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Insight. Here you will find information regarding IT jobs, programming languages, interview questions, and much more. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start our video on daily job updates. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the software engineering jobs related to BE, BTech, ME, Tech or MC. So the very first job is from Geo Careers, a very good opportunity. They are hiring for software development engineer and the location would be Maharashtra, Mumbai. So they are hiring for BE, BTech, MCA graduates and experience requirement is 1 to 2 years. Skill and competencies include application development, programming, analytical thinking. So here is the apply button. You can apply it from here and the link will be in the description. Second job is from Seagate, a very renowned company. They are hiring for engineer for software test. Here is the application button. Let's get quickly into the details. They are hiring for Pune location and the experience includes software defined software test processes, automation test development, developing and executing test as per the product requirement, cloud storage, AWS and Azure domain, agile scrum methodologies, automation and test management tools. So freshers can apply for the same job and the link will be in the description. So freshers as well as experienced person can apply for this job. Condition is you should be having knowledge for the below 3 requirement. So the third job is from Airtel. They are hiring for executive trainee. The experience range is 0 to 1 years and the location is Mallapuram. So let's get quickly into the details. The job responsibilities include development of backend for My Airtel app. So this is an Android application or iOS application. So they are hiring for this application requirement. End-to-end delivery of new features, evolving the architecture and performance and scalability. So you can read these all information. So the technical part, they are asking for excellent Java skills, understanding and Spring framework, strong knowledge of performance optimization, evolving the architecture for performance and scalability, another text for purpose. So the apply button you can find all the down below. Apply for this role. You can upload your resume, you can give your LinkedIn ID, name, email address, phone number, and the link will be in the description. So the fourth job is from Intel. They are hiring for intern student and the location would be Bangalore. Intern software engineer. Qualification they are asking for is MTech in electronics, software engineering or computer science. Proficient programming in C++, .NET, Python and Oracle. So if you want to do internship with Intel, you should be having this knowledge and you can apply for the same over here and I'll be giving you the link in the description. So the fifth job is from Cisco Careers. They are hiring for engineer software development. Here is the apply button. Location would be Chennai, Karnataka. Area of interest, engineer software. Job type, professional. Let's get quickly into the details. So they have a huge requirement. You can read it out over here. I'll be reading you some of the important information such as required qualification is any experience in designing, developing web application using Java, J2EE technologies, understanding of the various web technologies such as REST, SOAP, web services, POJO, any experience using development tool like Eclipse and something more, and the desired skills they are looking for is understanding of Linux based operating system, BE, BTech, ME, MTech. So freshers can also apply as well as experienced person can also apply for the same. So the sixth job is from Vistex. They are hiring for associate software engineer. Let's get quickly into the details. They are hiring for BE, BTech, CSE, IT, ECE fields. Minimum percentage is 60% aggregate and the target year is 2019 and 2020. And the added advantage if you're trained in AB, AP, ST and HANA. So the apply button you can find it over here or you can email this job to your friends so that you can also inform them. And this link will be in the description. So the seventh job is from RealPage. They are hiring for developer position. You can apply it from here. Let's get quickly into the details. They are hiring for minimum 1 to 3 year of experience in IT industry and a good understanding of full life cycle of software development life cycle. Deep hands-on knowledge in .NET 4.0 and 4.5 framework includes RESTful API and you can read out the other information by visiting the website and the link will be in the description. Now this job is from Conrati. They are hiring for remote software engineer position, and the requirement would be 2 to 5 years of hands-on experience in building API apps using Node.js and React.js, knowledge of MySQL or NoSQL, web servers, Nginx, Apache, etc. Strong knowledge of JSON, REST API, CSS framework. So you can read out the information I'll be giving you in the description, because on website they haven't mentioned it, and I'll be giving you the link to apply for the same. Or the second last job is from G Careers, that is General Electricals. They're hiring for trainee engineer. So if you are having a degree in electrical or electronics engineering or biomedical will be considered. So you can apply for the same. This is a very good opportunity for the core branches. So I have few more jobs which are not mentioned on the website, because you have to apply it by sending your resume on the given email ID. So this I'll be providing you in the description. So let's get quickly into the details. So Wipro off campus hiring freshers for software engineer position. Location would be this many, and experience is 0 to 2 years. Job responsibilities include knowledge in network, LAN and WAN, and the qualification is BE, BTech, MCA, CSIT. So you have to mail your resume on this email ID. So the last job for today is YOLO Bus hiring for data scientist. So if you are looking for data scientist position, you can send your email on this email ID, and the required information is you should be having 1+ year of total relevant experience, degree in quantitative field, math, science, economics, physics, and MBA. So here is the email ID of the hr@yolobus.com. You can send your resume, and if you are shortlisted, they will be calling you for the interview. I hope you like this video and you are liking this series of daily job updates. You can subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. What more you like to see on this channel, please comment down below. Till then, see you, bye bye.